Assalamu alaikum friends. How are you all? I'm Naila, your new friend and a small teacher. Today we are going to study a computer keyboard. This topic will help us to start new unit, which is unit 3. So it is very important for us to know what is keyboard, how many keys we have on a keyboard, and what are different keys and why do we use it. So are you ready? Yay! I'm also ready. Take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, and let's start with our new topic. So friends, in this slide we are having learning outcome, the 3 points. That means at the end of this lesson, we will be able to know these 3 points. Point number 1, identify a keyboard. Can you tell me point number 2? Yes, we will be able to know whether the keyboard is input device or not. Number 3, identify alphabet keys and number keys. So if we have a keyboard in front of us, so we should know that which are the alphabet keys and which are the number keys. Good luck! Input devices. Input devices are part of computer that sends information to computer. So we have 2 pictures here of input devices. Number 1, at the right side, computer mouse. Number 2, at the left side, we have keyboard, a computer keyboard. If we use mouse, we move the mouse with the help of our hand, and we can see the pointer moving on the screen. So our mouse is sending signal to computer to move the pointer on the screen. And now keyboard. If I type letters, I press the keys on a keyboard, it sends signal to computer to show the alphabets or the numbers I am typing on the screen. So the result is shown on the screen. So my keyboard is input and the screen is output. So now dear friends, can you tell me a computer keyboard is input device or output device? Loudly. Yes, great. Bravo. A computer keyboard is an input device. Now in this slide, we have QWERTY keyboard. Why the keyboard is known as QWERTY? It's because if you can see, I have highlighted with the red color. The alphabets start with Q, W, E, R, T, Y. So that's why it is known as QWERTY keyboard. Dear friends, there are 104 keys on a keyboard with some extra computing keys like window key, function keys, and number of keys depends on model of a keyboard as well. Friends, let's revise names of the fingers. This slide will help us in the next slide. So let's revise. Can you open your 5 fingers of your right and left hand? Yes, good. So the first is thumb. Please repeat with me. Thumb. The next finger is index finger. Loudly. Index finger. Great. The middle finger. The middle finger. Ring finger. Yes, great. Ring finger. And the last one, the fifth finger, little finger. Little finger. Let's repeat it again. It's fun. Thumb. Index finger. Middle finger. Ring finger. Little finger. Great! You all are very good. How to arrange fingers on a keyboard? I forgot. I miss my teacher. Do you miss her? Let's take help from her. Teacher, please help us. How to arrange fingers on a keyboard? Sure, Nyla. I'm always there to help you. Dear students, how are you all? I'm good too. Take care of yourself and take care of your family too. So let's start. Let's help you all. How to arrange fingers on a keyboard. Let's start with the right hand. You all have a keyboard in front of you. So you can use your right hand first. Your index finger should be on J button or key. Yes, on J. Your middle finger should be on K, next to J. Your ring finger should be on L, next to K. And your little finger should be on the button where we have colon. Yes, great. Now, your thumb should be on space bar. The way it is given in the pictures, you can take help from there as well. Great. Now let's come to the left hand. Your index finger should be on F. Great. Your middle finger should be on D. D for dog. Yes. Your ring finger should be on S. S for shoes. Your little finger should be on A. A for airplane. Great. And then your left hand thumb should be on space bar. Bravo. So this is how we are going to keep our hands on the keyboard and how to place the fingers on a keyboard. It will help us to type, and after practice we will be able to type in speed. So good luck. Grade 1, are you ready for the next step? You all are my very good students, and I know you are attentive. We have already finished with half of our lesson, and now we are going to study parts of a keyboard. So, are you ready? Great! Good students! Thank you, teacher. You helped us a lot. It was really fun. Now, in this slide, we are going to study parts of a keyboard. Number 1, alphabet keys. Number 2, number keys. Number 3, special keys. The special keys part we will continue in next ICT session. So now we are going to focus on the first 2 points, alphabet keys and number keys. Let's help my students and Nyla to understand alphabet keys and number keys. On a keyboard, in the middle or center, you have all the alphabet keys. That starts from Q, W, E, R, T, Y, U, I, O, P. And then in the next line, A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L. The third line, Z, X, C, V, B, N, M. So, if we know that the alphabet keys are in the center and which button is where, it is easy for us to start typing. Inshallah, in next few tutorials, when we have the whole information about keyboard, we will start typing. So all this information will help you during the typing tutorials. So can you just look at your keyboards and check where are your letters, and just tell me where is the button or the key V, in the first row, in the second row, or in the third row? V. Where is V? V for van. Great. It's in the third row. So if I ask you, where is P? P for pancake. Where is P? Great. It's in the first row at the end. Good. Very good. Number keys. We are having number keys in two places on our keyboard. If you can just check your keyboard, the number keys are at the right side of our keyboard, and the other number keys are in one row after the function keys, or at the top of the letter keys. That starts from 1 to 0. And the right side number keys start from 7, 8, 9, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, and 0. The numbers that we have on the top after the function keys, we can type them anytime we want. But coming towards the right side number keys, there is one key known as num lock, and we have one light at the top of the keyboard at right side. It is written num lock. So if you press this one time, you can see a green color or blue color light on the num lock area at the right side on the top of your keyboard. So that means the num lock is open and you can type the numbers. And if you type the num lock key again, you can't see the light on the num lock at the top right side of your keyboard. That means the num lock is off. So now you can't type the number keys that are on the right side. This applies only for the keys on the right side. The keys on the top of the letters, you can type them anytime you want. I want to add one extra information, and that is about the light of num lock, caps lock, and scroll lock that you can see right now in the picture at the right side of your keyboard. So these lights are there on the PC keyboard, on the personal computer keyboards, like we have these lights in our ICT lab keyboards. But in case if you are using laptop, so in the laptop keyboard, we don't have these lights. So in case if you are trying to type the number keys at the right side and you are not able to, and you are using the laptop, so that means you have to press the num lock so that you can type your number keys. And if you're using your personal computer keyboard, same like we have in ICT lab, so there you can see the light. Sometimes it is blue, or in some keyboards it is green. So if it is on, you can see the light, and if the num lock is off or the caps lock is off, you will not be able to see the light. Thank you. Grade 1. Let's have a fun test. It is going to be a short memory test, as we studied in our previous two slides where are alphabet keys and where are number keys. So now we have to point with our finger Where are alphabet keys? Can you point with your finger on the screen? Yes, grade 1. Good. Excellent. That's our alphabet keys. Now, can you tell me where are the number keys? You can point. We are having number keys two side, right? At 2 points. You can point any number keys. Good. Very good. Excellent. My good students. Now, let's see the answers. Dear friends, let's revise today's lesson with the help of this video. Let's watch it.
Computer keyboard. A pencil or a pen is needed to write in a notebook, but we cannot use a pencil or pen for writing on a computer. You have to use the keyboard to write or enter the information and instructions into a computer. It looks like a typewriter's keyboard. It has many small buttons on it. These buttons are called keys. Whatever we type on the keyboard appears on the monitor at the cursor position. Cursor is a small blinking line on the monitor. There are usually 104 keys on the keyboard. There are different types of keys to perform different tasks. The different types of keys are as follows: alphabet keys, number keys, function keys, special keys. Alphabet keys. These keys are used for typing letters and words. The letters A to Z are written on these keys. The alphabet keys resemble the keys of a typewriter due to its first row of alphabet Q, W, E, R, T, Y. It is called a QWERTY keyboard or keypad. Number keys. These are keys with numbers written on them. These keys are used to type numbers. One set of number keys are placed above the alphabet keys and another set is on the right side of the keyboard. 0 to 9. Numeric keypad can be used only when the num lock is on.
Dear students, I hope you enjoyed with Naila. It was a basic lesson about keyboard that covered alphabet keys and number keys and how to arrange fingers on your keyboard. The next ICT session will consist of keyboard special keys. Till then, good luck, stay home, stay safe, together we can. Thank you, my friends, listening to me. I really enjoyed with you all. Thank you, teacher, for helping us. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.